We're live from the Orlando Money Show, Facebook Live too. And I'm here with this guy named, what's your name again?
Tom.
Oh, Tom Sosnoff from Tasty Trade. And Tom, thanks for coming. You were a little bit late, but I'm not going to charge you for that. Don't worry about it.
I am sorry, I'll send flowers.
So Tom, look, this has been an epic week.
Yeah.
Big correction. Big today. We were down a lot.
Yeah.
What I want to know is, what did you see, or did you see anything in the options market before this happened? Unusual option activity.
Well, we are not. So I live in the derivative space. I'm not sure which camera I'm looking to. The left one. Okay. So we live in the derivative space, but unusual option activity to us doesn't really carry any weight.
Okay.
So what we saw was about 15 straight months of complacency and 15 straight months of kind of, a correctionless market. So I feel like the expectations were high for something to eventually give, but it wasn't evident in the option marketplace.
Ah, okay. So I happened to see it in the stock market. I spotted some very massive activity in the dark pool on January 25th and 26th. And I always wonder, was there a trade in the option market to offset that or not? But you're saying you didn't see anything.
Well, there was plenty of trades over the last, year and a half, but the timing was everything. So it's easy to look back at the last week and say, was it evident? And the answer is, yeah, sure. But it's been evident for, for 7 straight months. So it's all about timing. So I don't think that there was, it's like the no-see-em bug, I like to call it. When markets turn around, there's no bell that rings. You just don't know when it's going to happen. It just happens.
And what about the VIX? Did you see anything in the VIX market?
No.
No.
I mean, the VIX has been oversold and under its normal trading mean now for, basically going on a year and a half. So any rally in the VIX, I don't think it would surprise anybody. I think most people thought it would be short-lived. It turns out it was a little bit bigger than short-lived.
Much bigger, yes.
But I don't think there was anything, the problem with the VIX is that it's constantly under duress. It's under risk of kind of a takeover, a double, whatever. And so that's what happened, but I don't think that there was a tell.
Yeah, because we went from contango all the way to backwardation. We haven't been in backwardation for a very long time.
Which is weird too, because normally in most markets we're in backwardation about 13 or 14% of the time, most VIX markets. And for the last 2 years we've been in backwardation virtually 0% of the time.
Exactly.
So, but again, it's easy to look back. Everybody's looking back this week and saying, well, wasn't that obvious? Wasn't that a warning flag? And we've been saying it for the last year and a half. Sure, it's a warning flag, but it's all about timing. Remember, the VIX is the single most expensive asset class to carry long. So you can't, if you could carry long VIX, everybody would. But you can't because it's too expensive, because the cost of carrying long VIX is almost between 25 and 28% a year. So you can't carry a position that has a drag of 28%. So you just have to wait until it happens. Yeah, right.
Awesome stuff. So we're going to come back and talk a little bit more about Tasty Trades. I think you have a new platform, trading platform? I heard something about that.
We launched it in January 3rd of 2017.
Oh, okay, so not that. We'll talk about it though when we come back.
Sure.
Thank you.